Good morning, welcome back to the channel, me and Car Keys. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about LED lighting. So as you know, we did upgrade these low beams to LEDs. However, we did not do the high beams, nor did we do the fog lights, which hence this ugly yellow halogen fog lights that's in my truck right now. So that leads me to the sponsor of today's video, Auxito LED lighting. Now, Auxito offers a wide range of LED light options for your vehicle and pretty much every vehicle that's on the market right now. They sell high beams, low beam bulbs, they sell marker lights, they sell signal lights, they sell tail lights, they sell fog lights, they sell every light. They even have interior LED lighting for your vehicle. Now, if you're looking for some LED options for your vehicle, check out Auxito.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Now at checkout, if you use the code me and Car Keys, you get 12% off of your order and you'll be on your way to seeing better on the roads as well. All right, so this is what we're currently working with. We have the LED headlights up here. And then if you look down here, we have our ugly halogen fog lights that do not match. And this is the real reason why I'm doing this. I like riding around with the fog lights on anyway. And I turned them off after I put the LEDs up here because they don't match. And it looks pretty odd, to say the least. All right, here's another view inside the garage. On top you have your LED headlights. And down at the bottom, that yellow streak is the halogen stock fog lights. Now, these are H10 bulbs as indicated here, H10, 9145, 9140. And they will fit every 2015, I think 2015 and up actually, F150s. So in the box we have nice foam padding around our light bulbs, which is amazing so that they will stay safe in shipping. All right, you have a nice card, thank you for your purchase. Be part of the Auxito Club and enjoy exclusive preference. All right, join the Auxito Club. They are on Facebook as well. And here are our light bulbs. Now, I always handle these light bulbs with gloves. Always wear gloves. Never touch the filament of the bulb. It can cause the lighting to be distorted, and it can also cause it to burn out quicker. There are no instructions in this box. However, these light bulbs are plug and play, right? You unplug the old ones, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. It's really that simple. Unplug the old ones, unscrew them, screw the new ones in, plug them back in. It's completely plug and play. Now, that, if you can see in there, is the old halogen light bulb. I'll give you a better view of it when we get it out. All right, we are underneath the truck, and here's your fog light. Your fog light housing is here. And this is the plug I was talking about. You just unplug this and you unscrew the bulb, which is here. All right, so I went to unplug and it was actually easier to unscrew this one first and then unplug it. So the plug is not the blue part here. It is actually the black tabs here. So you lift it, just lift. All right, here's our yellow halogen stock bulb. You just pull this black tab back on the plug and pull. All right, so we got out our stock bulb halogen, and here is a comparison of our new bulb. This is our LED Auxito light bulb. Now they're shaped the same for the most part. They're the same length, so it should fit in with no problem, no issues at all. Only difference is this one will look better than this one did. A lot brighter, a lot wider, a lot crisper, a lot fresher than this bulb. All right, so we're back up under the truck. And for me, it seems to be better if you plug it in first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug ours in first and then screw it in. So make sure you line up the tab on the screw, on the tab on the plug with the notch on the light bulb. There you go. You hear a little click, and it's in there. going to attempt to screw it back in. Yeah, everybody who has an F-150 knows these crash bars are in the way of everything. Having to reach around this crash bar here just to get this light bulb in. All right, we got that light bulb in and plugged in, so I had to switch my approach and screw the light bulb in first, then plug it in. All right, here you have your stock bulb. And here you have, there we go, that's what I'm talking about, your bright white Auxito light bulb, LED. That's what I'm talking about. Now, I don't know if you can see it in the camera that well, and it's daytime, but these lights match perfectly almost the same color, bright white. So what we're gonna do is, we got the passenger side on. Of course, we have to go back and do the driver's side because that looks hideous. So we're gonna do the driver's side, and then we're gonna come back and get some night shots so we can see what this looks like at nighttime. Yeah, I like that. That's what I'm talking about. Auxito, shout out to Auxito. Quality products, LEDs, you have no issues. Yeah, I like that. There we go. All LEDs all the way around. All matching. It looks good, y'all. It's real good. All right, y'all, it's not fully dark yet, but it's dark enough. So I'm on this back road where there's no street lights. And let me show you, this is what it looks like without the fog lights. This is just the LED headlights. Now I have daytime running lights and they do not go off. So these lights are always on. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like with the fog lights on. But that lights up the entire world. Right, let's move a little bit. All right, once again, with the fog lights off, this is what you see. Turn the fog lights back on. Lights up the entire road. Also lights up the sidewalk. It lights up everything. Once again, shout out to Auxito. They have some amazing products. These fog lights are amazing. Look at this. I can see everything. I can see what's in the grass. I can see what's on the side. I can see everything. Yeah, just like we did earlier with the stock lights, these are the LEDs. So on top is your headlight, down here is your fog light. This whole line is your fog light. Super white, super crisp. Oh yeah, I'm satisfied. I love this. Looks good. Alright y'all, thank you for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. Once again, if you need any lighting for your vehicle, check out Auxito.com. And at checkout, please use the code Me and Car Keys to get 12% off of your order. I want to give another shout out to Auxito for this awesome lighting. Once again, thank you for watching another video. Please subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. You know how it goes. Until next time, thank you for watching.